can go, you can sit and pray, but don't take photos while the priest is standing there.
A następnie resztki ze Starego Testamentu, ponieważ przedstawione ogóły Nazaretu przez odcinek pustyni, jak gdyby wielbiąc Boga i poświęcił Ksiądz pomagać, święcił o tym pustosz tego miejsca. W 1994 programie Magiery tego kościoła, to jest patriarchy Goriego i następnie święty Franciszek i inni wcześniej budowali kościoły Chrzyścijan.
Bakal na ano, hindi yung bakal na ganito, yung nag-curve. Hindi ganun kakapal. Ito, ma'am.
Ito, ano ba ito?
Hindi ko alam eh. Sa tuktok tayo eh.
Gusto ko ganito ang mga halaman. Gusto ko ganito ang paligid.
Kahit ganyang kalakakapal. Ayun na lang, olive tree.
Ha?
Gusto mo olive tree o grapevines? Ito yung mga
Olive tree.
yung grapes. Ito, olive tree. Ayan, olive tree.
Olive tree.
Olive tree. Grapes. Okay.
Jesteś, wiesz, jak zajmiesz koszulkę, to masz sweter, nie?
شو حبيبي شو اخبارك؟ كيف انت؟ المصور شبعك
Ah. Okay, teka, masakit ang balakang.
Hawak ng tiyan ba, professor ako. Sabi ko nakikita ko sa nanay ko yung mama. Yung pag sa faith, ano, kahit ano.
Ay, oo.
Został to w tym pokoju świetny. Nawet był taki przypadek, że nie wiem, parę lat temu, że
Hey, full Polish family here. Beata.
Kung meron siyang parang kwan.
Hawakan mo yung olive. Halika, mami. Halika, tayo ka. Okay, nakuha mo na? Nakakuha ka na? Ilan ang nakuha mo? Wala pa. Sige. Ayan, yan. Ayan. Okay, mommy. Tama na, yan lang. Isa lang. Wow, let's see. Wow. Okay, mommy. You like that? That's an olive tree.
Sino? Kayo, picture or video?
Because Alfred said it's really good. You have to take a video of Alfred. This is special. Oh, it has coffee. It's nice.
Put a little of the coffee.
Ano baka magbago ano man oh
If no, maybe
BTS.
maybe with vanilla.
ano recommended ba highly
If no recommended, let me send it with vanilla.
yes
Maybe we try it with vanilla. I usually put it with vanilla, not with pistachio.
Okay, this is good. If you want coffee, it has coffee. But hey, don't forget to get me ice cream, like the strawberry.
Give me, you want to add it over?
Okay, pistachio. Can it be another cup?
Sure, sure.
So we don't mix it.
Strawberry.
Mag-vanilla na lang ako. Ang sarap naman.